Now let's take a look at 4.3. We're going to do some energy calculations and just see what this might look like. So I've given you some information for a 9 on 12 roof. And so now you'll fill in the rest of the table using these numbers. And then you'll calculate the energy. And the energy is what's called a ratio, okay, where you know part of it and you have to find the rest. Okay, so and this is what we'll do to calculate the energy. We'll take the new area divided by the original area times the original energy. So here's how to do that. So let's take a look and see. So here we are, and lo and behold, you're going to use this same roof. And let's see what I've got. I'm supposed to do one that's a 12 on 12. Let me just change that to a 12 on 12. 12 on 12, and I'll apply, and I get 3,054.7 square feet. I'll change that to 3,050. So that's my roof area, 3,050. It looks like I need to make it a little bigger. That looks a little bit ugly. There we go. That looks like about the right size. And now I want to find the energy. So it says take my new area, 3050, divided by the original area, 2,700. That's this right here. First divide the area by 2,700, and then multiply it by 21,000. And that's what will go here. So let me try that. Here we go. My new area is 3050 divided by the original area, 2700. And I like to press the equal sign so that I have that. And then multiply that by 21, 1, 2, 3. And I got that last one wrong. So let me do that one again. Because that answer is obviously not right. Let me do a clear. I clicked something wrong. So we've got 3050 divided by 2700. Okay, and then we're going to multiply that times 21, 1, 2, 3. That looks more like it. 23,722.22222. And I'm just going to make that something like a 25. It looks like a good number. What was that number again? 23,725. 23,725. And that looks too small also. So I'll make the text a little bit bigger. And that's what you'll do for all of these. Okay, you'll do that very same process. When that's done, I want you to just look at it and tell me something about it. I see there's a lot of things to see. I see what happens when the roof pitch is bigger, that the area gets something and the energy gets something. So you see something and something. And from those two, what do you conclude about roof energy? Okay, now that doesn't mean that's the energy isn't the only consideration for a roof. There are other considerations too. But based on roof energy, you might conclude something. So I know this is a little bit hard because I'm not telling you what to say. I'm not telling you what to think. Do the best you can. Notice something about this. Okay, and now notice these all have the same building pad area. I did not change this view at all. It's always the same. All I'm changing is the roof slope. And I can see that something happens when I change the pitch. something happens when I change the roof area. And you can look at those trends, and then you can see something about energy cost overall. Okay, and just as an aside, right now, energy is hovering around 40 cents per kilowatt hour. So you can, even if you want to, make some conclusions about that. If I have 21,000 times 40 cents, $0.40, that's $8,400 a year. Wonder how much that is per month. By 12, $700 a month. Pretty high energy bill, but that's what many people are seeing right now. Okay, so there we go. That's how you'll do these. Show the basic image of the roof. That's this. And then the last part is to look in your files here and look at this energy analysis. I don't want to open it with. Why is that doing that? That's I don't know why it opened with that. Let's see if I can get rid of that. Wow, this is there it goes. So let me go find that again. And I might not be able to open it right now. The PDF, so it should allow me to open it with Acrobat. But I haven't opened Acrobat right now. But anyway, you'll go to this and you'll open it and take a snip and put it right here. Okay, so this is a snip of your roof. This is a snip of a typical area. I think I'd better show that to you so that you can see it. Just want to open that. There's what it looks like. So it shows what the electricity looks like. This particular building was an all-electric building. This is the energy estimate for that particular building that I showed you. And this tells you down here the total kilowatt hours for the entire building. And this breaks it down into its components. So you can put a picture of this. You can put a picture of this. You could put a picture of the whole thing if you want, but that's what it looks like. And this is part of the Design 310 course where we analyze data graphically so to give us a better picture of it. Okay, so there we go. That is your energy estimate work.